Ready? Wait, no, keep going. Stop on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, stop. I think it looks good. I think it's good. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to 4-Pack. And today,
You guys smell like dog food because you guys were eating shit.
Today we are opening up a box from Jaymeezy3000. We did a box trade thing. So, this is the one from. So,
What do you look like?
let's take it.
I got a little long nose now. This is just a shell going on right here.
She's in general nasty.
What?
Ha. Oh, ha.
Close your eyes.
Nuts. Nuts.
Oh, packing peanuts. Whenever I see packing peanuts, I always expect like Bolt to jump out. So they're bubble wrapped. So I'm gonna open my eyes and look at them and unbubble wrap them
Okay.
I'm gonna give it to whoever
And
one
show.
thinks.
and then. Jaymeezy3000 said that he tried to get something for each of us. So I believe that this goes to Mikey.
James, sister.
Okay, ready?
2, 1, go. What did you just say?
Can we instant replay that?
What was that?
I speak Mikey sometimes. Sometimes. What do you think? Cool?
I like it, yeah. So I already have this one, but I've been looking for a pop to take out a box so I can take it places and if people want to take pictures, I can hold it up. So this will probably be my new out-of-box pop.
Okay. Eyes closed.
Eyes are closed.
Oh, I can guess who this one goes to.
Just gonna nap. Good night. Bye-bye.
3, 2, 1, open.
It's
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
unlimited power. Thank you so much. I don't have this one, and I love it. I love it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it. Do it.
Unlimited power.
That was one of the best parts of the movie.
Oh, whenever they
like-
say that, they say it again.
Unlimited power.
That's what I think about.
Oh yeah.
I know it's not what he says, but that's all I think about. Oh, sorry. Just elbowed you in the face.
But
Okay.
thank you again. This is also what I should have added
I
to my
close.
Dark Side collection.
Okay, we're gonna do this one now. Okay, Nita. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's the taste one too.
Yep.
It's how what she going.
Vanya.
This is the chase version of Vanya when, spoiler alert if you haven't seen the Umbrella Academy, when at the very end when she releases her unlimited power, and almost, well I guess she does destroy the world,
Yeah.
but it's okay because 5 kind of saves them, so it's okay.
Time
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Let me see. I did it.
3, a 2, a 1, and open.
Ooh! I've been wanting this one because of the colors on him. Very cool. I also have an Ultimate Warrior actual action figure in my room somewhere. I like him. He's
Isn't
cool.
it?
Very cool. I like him a lot. I also love the I've said it before, but I love his colors, so cool. Thank you so much. Awesomeness.
Nice colors.
His colors.
These colors like foof.
Okay,
You close eyes.
again?
Yes.
Okay.
Angie. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god!
And the Twisty the
Did you show? Oh my gosh. So this is Twisty the Clown from American Horror Story, for all of you who don't know who this is. He is I guess he's not necessarily the main villain of
But he's the
Freak
killer.
Show, but he is a killer. And I love him a lot because he's one, he's a clown, and I collect clowns. And two, he was like, I don't know, his character was just wacky to me, so I really liked him.
I like how his hair looks like light bulbs. Like it's like a red light bulb, green, yellow.
Got electrocuted.
It's a 2015 Summer Convention exclusive. This is awesome. Thank you so much. I've been wanting this pop for a super long time now, and I was never able to find it. So just it's here, and I have it, and I love it. So thank you. I still have very nice, cute. I love.
It's here.
So thank you so much. I wanted to start collecting the rest of American Horror Story, but I didn't want to start until I had Twisty, because I knew that he was gonna be the one that I really wanted, him and Misty Day. So now that I have him, I can start collecting American Horror Story pops. So thank you so much. Okay.
Now for our Shoutout Sunday giveaway for Jaymeezy3000.
First, we're going to pick the winner for our previous Shoutout Sunday, which was for Jaymeezy3000. And then we're going to shout out a new person. So let's get right into it. Let me find the video.
You know,
Put your arm down.
I want to see some. You didn't play
Okay.
it to the ending.
Excuse me.
Me and you play it together.
Okay. So there's the YouTube video. There's the hashtag. Go sit. Go sit. the heck? And get YouTube comments. So the amount of unique commenters are 13. Can you see? Can you see on the thing? And the winner is Weapon X-Wing! His comment said, just subscribed, courtesy of hashtag 4PackEasy. So thank you so much, Weapon X-Wing. Hit us up on Instagram for your prize, again, which will be a mystery pop. But it is okay, because you will like. You will like.
You will like.
You will like, you love,
You like, you love. You like, and love. And okay, hit us up on Instagram at
4-Pack Funkos Food Fun.
and make sure you tell us. Ow, I scratched myself. Make sure you tell us where we're going to send our gift, your giveaway. I don't know when I started talking. Okay. Now we're going to do our next show. Put your arms down. This week we're going to be shouting out two boys and their pops. Their new channel. They do hauls, mystery boxes. They're new to the pop community. So go and show them some love. What should we hashtag? So we're gonna do the hashtag as 4 + 3 = 7.
6.
Anyway, so you are going to go to the video that we linked down below, and you're going to hashtag 4 + 3 = 7, like the numbers, like put 4 plus sign, and put 3
equals
7, like this. Ready? Only need to stop it. It's gonna be all over the screen. Stop it!
Okay, wait, one more.
hashtagging. And make sure you guys go and do that because they're a great channel. So, okay. Now we can finish the video. One. Oh, wait.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys so much for watching 4-Pack. If you guys haven't already, go check out Jaymeezy3000 and 2 Boys and Their Pops. Alright, thank you again so much to Jaymeezy. These are awesome pops. We love them so much. You went way above and beyond, and that's awesome. Like, thank you so much. And you went
way up,
way up.
like past NASA moon space,
like all the way up.
like past NASA's moon, past NASA moon space. Into a black hole.
He went
into the sun.
Wait, do you think NASA is on moon? Is on the moon?
Yeah, NASA's on moon.
He went,
and the space is owned by NASA.
he went to a long time ago in the galaxy.
The entire all of
You
space.
went so fast. You went into Star Wars dimension.
You
went so fast. And
That's how high you went.
Palpatine was like,
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Okay,
and then he just
thank
walked
you
away.
so much, and yeah, so
Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that bell and comment down below. We got like this thing. Subscribe before that phone goes through the foot.
Bye, guys.
Past NASA moon space.
Into the galaxy far away.
Into Emperor Palpatine unlimited power.
he went so high up, he got his own title card.
Yeah, no, he went so far up. No, he went so far up that wall.
He hit his head on the title card. He hit his head on it. He's like, ow! He said, ow!